Take care mo.
Swimming in lane number 1 is Anne Lozano from downtown. Swimming in lane number 2 is Delfino Francesca Gale from St. Paul University Dumaguete. Swimming in lane number 3 is Nicola Janina from RTPM Dumaguete Science High School. Swimming in lane number 4 is Chonto Casey Gabriel from Silliman University High School. Swimming in lane number 5 is Adanza Aimee Nicolet from RTPM Science High School. Swimming in lane number 6 is Augusto Diaz from Silliman University High School. Swimming in lane number 7 is Robin Anne-Marie from St. Paul University Dumaguete. And swimming in lane number 8 is Torrillo Juliana Yuan from St. Louis School, Don Bosco.
Nice, Scarlett!